If you've got an idea, a business, or even just a passion project, you know you need a home online. But for a lot of people, that sounds like a massive technical headache. Well, the truth is, modern tools are totally changing the game, putting all the power to build and grow right in your hands. Let's dig into how they do it.
Does this sound familiar? You've got this amazing vision in your head, but the actual path to getting a live, professional-looking website up and running just seems, well, super complicated. That is the exact problem we're going to break down right now.
Here's the game plan. We're going to walk through 5 simple steps. First, we'll talk about the all-in-one promise. Then we'll get into the fun part, designing your site. After that, we'll look at all the cool business features you can add. Next, we'll cover how you actually launch and get visitors. And finally, we'll see how it all comes together in your own business command center.
Okay, so let's start with that core idea, the big promise. It used to be that you'd need a designer over here, a hosting service over there, a bunch of different marketing tools. It was a total mess. The whole point of these new platforms is to bring everything you could possibly need together in one single, seamless place.
So what is an all-in-one platform, really? It's way more than just a website builder. Think of it as your design studio and your business headquarters all rolled into one. It's built so that literally anyone, whether you're just starting out or you're already growing fast, can build an online presence and just keep scaling it up without ever hitting a wall.
Right, so how do you actually go from that idea in your head to a real finished design? The great thing is, you've got options. These platforms usually give you 2 main ways to get your vision online.
Your first choice is all about your starting point. On one hand, you've got the AI Builder. This is pretty cool. You basically just tell it what you want, and poof, it generates a unique, business-ready website just for you. But if you're someone who likes a more hands-on approach, you can dive into hundreds of beautiful, professionally designed templates and find the perfect one for you. And no matter which path you start with, making it your own is designed to be super simple. We're talking zero code. You just drag and drop things where you want them, you can tweak every little detail to match your brand style, and, this is so important, the platform automatically makes sure your site looks fantastic on mobile phones. But let's be honest, a website today has to be more than just a pretty online brochure, right? These platforms are really built to be the engine for your business, and they are packed with features to help you grow.
This is where that all-in-one thing really comes alive. Need to sell products? Just add an online store. Want to let people book appointments? Done. Need a blog, a portfolio to show off your work? It's all there. You just plug in the tools you need, right when you need them.
So what does this all mean? It means you can build pretty much any kind of website you can think of. An online store, a professional site for your business, a personal blog, even a site for a restaurant with online ordering. It's all totally possible within the same system. Okay, so you've built this beautiful, functional website. What's next? Well, now comes the really crucial part, taking it live and making sure people can actually find you online.
The very first step is to make it official with your own custom domain name, your .com address. It's your unique spot on the web, and it's absolutely essential for looking professional. Most of these platforms even throw in a free domain for your first year when you get a premium plan.
But hey, a domain name is just the start. The platform doesn't just build your site and say, good luck. It gives you a whole suite of marketing tools built right in. You get SEO tools to help you show up on Google, you can run paid ads on Facebook and Instagram, and you can even manage your social media, all from the same dashboard.
And if you're wondering if people are actually using this stuff, get this. On just one of the major platforms, over 15,000 new websites are launched every single day. That is a huge community of creators and entrepreneurs, all doing the same thing.
Of course, all these amazing features have to be built on a technical foundation that's powerful and super reliable. So let's quickly peek under the hood at the 3 key things that make it all work so well.
First up, speed. We live in a world where nobody has any patience, right? A slow website means people are just going to leave. So these platforms are engineered for incredible performance, which is a huge deal for keeping your visitors happy and for your Google rankings. Next up is security. You don't have to worry about all the technical stuff because you get enterprise-grade security working for you 24/7. It protects your site and, more importantly, your customers' data from all the bad stuff out there.
And finally, reliability. These platforms use servers all over the world to guarantee pretty much perfect uptime. That means your site is always on, always available, even if you get a massive sudden rush of visitors. All right, let's bring it all home. We've gone from just an idea to a live, secure website that you can market to the world. The final piece of this whole puzzle is how you manage everything day in and day out.
This is where that all-in-one promise really pays off. From one single dashboard, you can handle your payments, manage all your customer contacts, set up little automations to save you time, check your analytics to see what's working, and you can even run your whole business from an app on your phone.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? It's that the journey from a simple idea to a thriving online business doesn't have to be this scattered, confusing process anymore. All the tools you need to create, to manage, and to grow are all brought together in one powerful, easy-to-use platform.
Which really just leaves us with one final question for you to think about. With all this power and simplicity right there at your fingertips, is an all-in-one platform the right tool to finally bring your unique vision to life?